With the most recent CurryCare update, we now have the ability to track exercise. Once you update your app, you'll see in the middle of the screen there the section for exercise. First thing you want to do is to tap in the upper left-hand corner on the three little bars there and go into your profile. You may need to scroll down, but you'll see at the very bottom your weekly exercise goal. So, for example, if you want to exercise 30 minutes a day, 7 days a week, you would pick 3.5 hours. I just picked 2 hours for starters there. Pardon my cuckoo clock, sorry about that. So also you see all of your other goals there. If you weren't aware of those, probably the most important is your step goal and your calorie goals. So for a moderately active adult, you want to put 10,000 for your step goal at least. If you're very active, maybe 12,000. If you have arthritis, joint pain issues, just set it at 2,000 or 3,000. You just have to start somewhere. And then as your weight loss progresses, you can increase that as tolerated. So once you set your weekly exercise goal, just save it by clicking on the checkbox in the upper right-hand corner there. And then you can go back to your home screen. And then when you do some kind of a workout, just go into that section there and click on the plus sign here. And then you can pick whatever exercise it is. If it's not listed here, you can just pick cardio or other. And then you can put in the date and the time. I'm not sure why the time defaults to 4 a.m. We're working on changing that to default to the current time. It's not really easy to see on the screen here. It took me a little while because my eyesight isn't as good as it used to be, but there's a little done button here just above and to the right of the 9 a.m. So when you dial in the time, click on done. And then how long your exercise was, we'll say 30 minutes, and then maybe how intense it was. And then if you want to type in a little note there, you can. And then you just click on save exercise, and then it'll dial it into your exercise segment there so you can see and keep track of that as well. So this is in beta testing right now. If you find any bugs or issues, please feel free to let me know, and we're looking forward to rolling out 2 new features in the coming months. One for appointment scheduling with video conferencing, and then also content delivery. So we'll be able to push out videos and documents by PDF in the coming months. Thanks a lot. Bye. For more information, go to loseweightcincy.com/CurryCare.